Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making a quick unboxing for a Nintendo Switch game that came in the mail yesterday. And also a memory card, but I'm not going to show that in this video. I already opened it to install it in my Switch. So here's the game. Nintendo Switch Bayonetta. They re-released the first one. So here's the front, the side, the back. Let's open it up. So we got the inside cover, we got a gun, and then it says Bayonetta, gun on her leg. And then here's the game, Nintendo Switch Bayonetta, rated M. Then the back. Alright, so that has been a quick unboxing for my Bayonetta game. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.